When it comes to reliability, Japanese car brands have built a global reputation. But which ones truly come out on top? From legendary names known for bulletproof engines to newer contenders pushing innovation, not all brands are created equal. In this video, we're ranking Japanese car brands based on real-world durability, maintenance costs, and long-term performance. Whether you're buying your first car or looking for something that'll last a decade, this list might change your mind. Let's break it down. Today, we will talk about Japanese car brands ranked by reliability. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Japanese car brands have long dominated the global automotive industry when it comes to reliability, durability, and long-term value. In 2026, this reputation remains stronger than ever, with multiple Japanese manufacturers occupying the top positions in global reliability rankings based on large-scale data from organizations like Consumer Reports and real-world owner surveys. 1. Toyota, the undisputed king of reliability. At the top of nearly every reliability ranking sits Toyota, a brand synonymous with longevity and durability. Toyota consistently earns the highest reliability scores globally, with some studies giving it a score as high as 95 out of 100 and an average vehicle lifespan of around 285,000 miles. What makes Toyota stand out is its engineering philosophy. Instead of chasing cutting-edge features, the company focuses on refining existing technology until it becomes virtually bulletproof. Models like the Corolla, Camry, and Prius are known to exceed 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Additionally, Toyota's hybrid systems have proven to be more reliable than many traditional engines, further strengthening its dominance. 2. Lexus luxury meets bulletproof engineering. Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, takes reliability to an even higher level by combining premium features with Toyota's proven engineering. In fact, Lexus often ranks as the most reliable brand for used cars, outperforming even its parent company in long-term dependability. Despite offering advanced technology and luxury features, Lexus maintains exceptional build quality and low failure rates. Vehicles like the Lexus RX and ES are known for their quiet performance and minimal mechanical issues even after years of use. The brand's success lies in its meticulous quality control and use of refined, well-tested components rather than experimental systems. 3. Honda engineering excellence and consistency. Honda has built its reputation on precision engineering and efficient, long-lasting engines. Ranking consistently among the top 5 most reliable brands, Honda vehicles are known for their strong performance over high mileage. The company's VTEC engine technology and durable transmissions contribute to its reliability, especially in models like the Civic and Accord. Honda strikes a balance between innovation and dependability, offering slightly more advanced features than Toyota while still maintaining strong reliability. Although some recent models have faced minor quality concerns, Honda remains a top-tier choice for buyers seeking dependable daily drivers. 4. Subaru. Rugged reliability and all-weather performance. Subaru stands out for its unique focus on all-wheel drive systems and rugged engineering. Ranking near the top in 2026 reliability charts, Subaru vehicles are particularly valued in regions with harsh weather conditions. The brand's symmetrical all-wheel drive system and boxer engines provide durability and stability, making models like the Outback and Forester highly dependable over time. Subaru's approach to reliability is slightly different. It focuses on durability under stress, rather than just minimizing breakdowns. While maintenance costs can be slightly higher than Toyota or Honda, Subaru vehicles are built to endure challenging environments. 5. Mazda, the quiet achiever. Mazda has emerged as a strong contender in recent years, often ranking within the top 3 for used car reliability. Known for blending driving enjoyment with solid engineering, Mazda has improved its manufacturing quality significantly over the past decade. The brand emphasizes simplicity and efficiency, avoiding overly complex systems that could lead to failures. Models like the Mazda 3 and X5 offer excellent reliability combined with premium-like interiors at a lower price point. However, some newer models have shown slight dips in reliability due to the introduction of new technologies, indicating that Mazda is still balancing innovation with dependability. 6. Acura. Reliable luxury with a performance edge. Acura, Honda's luxury division, combines performance-oriented design with Honda's engineering reliability. It consistently ranks within the top 10 most reliable brands, offering a strong mix of luxury and dependability. Acura vehicles are known for their sporty performance and durable engines, making them appealing to drivers who want both excitement and reliability. While not as flawless as Lexus, Acura still maintains relatively low repair costs and solid long-term performance. 7. Nissan. A mixed reliability record. Nissan's position in reliability rankings is more complex. While it still ranks within the top 10 globally, its reliability has been inconsistent in recent years. Earlier issues with continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, affected the brand's reputation, though improvements have been made in newer models. Nissan vehicles like the Altima and Rogue can still be reliable, but they tend to show more variability compared to Toyota or Honda. The brand's push toward innovation and cost-cutting has sometimes led to quality control challenges. 8. Mitsubishi and Suzuki. Simple but limited, Mitsubishi and Suzuki occupy the lower end of Japanese reliability rankings, though they still outperform many global competitors. These brands focus on simplicity and affordability, which can contribute to decent reliability. However, they lack the advanced engineering and consistency of top-tier Japanese manufacturers. Suzuki, in particular, is known for producing simple, fuel-efficient vehicles with low maintenance costs, while Mitsubishi has struggled to maintain a strong identity and consistent quality in recent years. The bigger picture. Why Japanese cars dominate reliability. The dominance of Japanese brands in reliability rankings is not accidental. It is the result of decades of engineering philosophy centered around quality control, continuous improvement, Kaizen, and long-term durability. In 2026, 6 of the top 7 most reliable brands are Japanese, highlighting their continued leadership in this area. Unlike many competitors, Japanese automakers prioritize proven technology, longer production cycles, and rigorous testing before releasing new models. Choosing the most reliable Japanese brand. When ranking Japanese car brands by reliability, Toyota and Lexus clearly lead the pack, followed closely by Honda and Subaru. Mazda has emerged as a strong contender, while Acura offers a reliable luxury alternative. Nissan, Mitsubishi, and Suzuki, while still reliable compared to many global brands, fall slightly behind due to inconsistencies or limited innovation. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities, whether it's absolute durability, luxury, performance, or affordability. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.